In this video, I am going to discuss about modes of triac. Before going to see this video, you have to understand the construction and operation of the triac first. So you have to see the previous video. I uploaded the video of construction and characteristics of triac. Then you can understand easily by seeing that video. So come to this modes of triac. Mainly there are four modes are there. That is four quadrants. Let us divide the quadrants into four. There is Q1, Q2 quadrant, Q3 quadrant, finally Q4. In the Q1 quadrant, that is mode 1. In the mode 1, MT2 is positive, gate is also positive. In the mode 2, MT2 is positive, whereas gate is negative. In the Q3, that is quadrant 3 or mode 3, MT2 is positive, gate is also negative. Sorry, MT2 is negative, gate is negative. Then finally, MT2 is negative, gate is positive. These are the modes, whereas these are the four modes are there. Let us discuss first the mode 1. What we discussed in the structure, that is here it is the structure of the triac. This is the structure of the triac. The triac is having the P1, N1, P2, N2, N3, N4. These are the layers. So in the mode 1, what we said, MT2 is positive, gate is also positive. So that's why MT2 is positive. Here it is the MT2, this is MT1, this is gate. What we said, MT2 is positive. Then gate is also positive. So that's why we are connecting the gate terminal to the positive side. This is MT1 is negative. So in this case, whereas MT2 is positive, then P1 layer is activated because of the positive ions are present here. So that's why P1 layer is activated. So that's why P1 N1 junction is forward bias. P1 N1 junction is forward bias. Then this N2 terminal is connected to the positive side. So this way the N1 P2 junction is reverse bias. This is reverse bias. So then P2 N3 junction is forward bias. Why P2 N3 junction is forward bias means I will explain. The N3 junction is, that is MT1. This junction is connected to the negative terminal. So that's why here N3 also having the electrons, here also negative charged ions. So that's those are the electrons only. Here negative terminal which are connected to the N3. So that's why here P2 and N3 are also in forward bias. So in this case, what is the current direction? The current direction always flows from the P layers to the N layer. That is from positive terminals to the negative terminals. That is the current is flowing from P1, N1, P2 and finally to the N3. This is the current direction. P1, N1, P2 and N3. Let's see the direction first. The direction is P1 layer to the N1 layer, then N1 layer to the P2, whereas finally P2 to N3, because the P2 N3 are in forward bias. So that's why the current direction is like this. So what is the characteristics? The quadrant 1, that is mode 1 characteristics are similar to the mode 1 characteristics are similar to the SCR. Similar to the SCR. Let's write these topics first about this mode 1. I will write. This is the notes regarding the mode 1, that is MT2 is positive, gate is positive. Because of MT2 positive, P1 layer is activated. Because of MT1 is negative, N3 layer is activated. And P1 N1 junction are forward bias, P2 N2 junction is reverse bias. P2 N3 is forward bias. So the current direction is like this. The mode 1 characteristics are similar to the SCR. This is about the mode 1. Let's discuss about mode 2. This is the mode 2. That is, mode 2 is MT2 is positive, whereas gate terminal is negative. That is, here the gate terminal we are having. This gate terminal is connected to the negative and MT1 is connected to positive. This is gate and this is positive. So because of MT2 is positive, we already said this P1 layer is activated and P1 N1 junctions are forward bias. And here the negative terminal is connected to the gate. So that's why here we are having the forward bias. In the previous mode 1, P2 N3 is forward bias, but whereas in the mode 2, P2 N2 is forward bias. As similar as that, N1 P2 junctions are reverse bias. So this is the structure and these are the points regarding the mode 2. And what about the current flowing? I already told the current always flows from the positive to the negative layers. So that's why the current is flowing from P1 N1 and P2 N2. So this is the current direction. So I will write the nodes first. Then, as same as the mode 1, the nodes is same. I will write the different points regarding the mode 2. Those are MT2 is positive, gate is negative, and then P2 N2 junction is forward bias. In the previous one, P2 N3 junction is forward bias. In the mode 2, P2 N2 junction is forward bias. The current direction is P1 N1 P2 and N2. This is the current direction. So then mode 3. What about mode 3? Let's discuss the mode 3. I will draw the mode 3 structure. Let's point out the mode 3. This is P1 N1 P2 N2 N3 and N4. This is MT1 MT2, this is MT1 and here is gate. In the mode 3, what we said, MT2 is negative, whereas gate is also negative. In this case, MT2 is negative, gate is also negative. So in this case, P2 N1 is activated. That is, here we have to see MT2 is negative. Because of MT2 is negative, the N4 layer is activated here. Because of MT2 negative, N4 layer is activated. So that's why the current direction is reversed. The current direction is reversed. Then this is in reverse bias. P1 N1 junctions are reverse bias, whereas N1 P2 junctions are forward bias. Because of gate terminal is negative, the N2 layer is connected. So that's why the P2 and N2 are in forward bias. Then the current direction is, let's observe this current direction only. The current direction is P2 N1 P1 and N4. This is the current direction. Always the current flows from the forward bias. Just observe, In the mode 1, the current is flowing from forward bias to the reverse bias, then forward bias. Here observe, from the forward bias to the reverse bias, from the positive to the negative. The current direction is P1, N1, P2 and N2. This is the current direction. So then I already explained the characteristics of the triac. So I am not saying the characteristics. Then mode 4. Mode 4. This is MT2, here MT1 and it is gate. P1, N1, P2, N2, N3 and N4. In the mode 4, what we said, MT2 is negative and gate is positive. That is, the gate terminal is connected to the positive, whereas MT1 is also negative. Gate is positive. Gate is positive. So in this case, I already told, because of MT2 is negative, the N4 layer is activated, then the current direction is reversed. In the mode 3, the same mode 3 and mode 4, the current directions are same, but here the current direction is from P2, that is here, from here, P2, N1, P1, N4, but whereas here the N3 will appear, because of here MT1 is negative with respect to the this N3 is also negative. That's why here we are having the forward bias, whereas here the reverse bias. So that's why P1 N1 is reverse bias, P2 N1 is forward bias, P2 N3 is forward bias. So then the current direction is P2 N1 P1 N4 from here, P2 N1 P1 N4. This is the mode 4 and this is the current direction. This is about the modes of triac. There are 4 modes. These are the modes are there. We are only indicating the terminals of MT2 with respect to the gate terminal only. We are writing the modes only. So this is about the modes of triac. Thank you for watching. If you have any doubts, please mention in the comment box.